To invest and trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Vechain. A few of you have been wanting me to go over VET, so if you'd like me to continue, smash up that like button. So we're sitting at 0.0308. We're up 6% on the day. Market cap 2.52 billion, 24 volume 97 million. We're currently in a few trades, which I've given signals for in my Discord. If you want completely free access, just hang around to the end of the video. So if we look at Vechain off the bear market low, which was all the way down here at 0.01, it shot all the way up to 0.05 in a wave 1 pullback and a wave 2. Now we're seeing the continuation up in the wave 3. So far you have a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Now you look to push up in a wave 3. The normal target is the 161.8, 0.04063. But it can overextend, especially in a bull market. It can go to the 261.8. It can go to the 361.8. Basically, you go parabolic. It happens all the time, as you can see with XRP. So we broke out of the falling wedge. We've already met the target. So I'm looking for continuation. If we roll over, it is what it is. We can't be perfect with our TA, but as of right now, we can focus on the bullish scenario. And you've already printed the bullish cross on the daily chart, which is a great sign. So I'm going to zoom out a bit so I can give you guys a wave 3 target off the bear market low. I've already mapped it out here. All you have to do is take a trend base to extension from the bear market low up to the top of the wave 1, down to the bottom of the wave 2, and this will give you your wave 3 target. If you're new to Elliott wave theory, there's great tutorials on YouTube so you can learn. This is the #1 way to predict the market, in my opinion, the most accurate. So you have the 161.8, which is all the way up at 0.086, and from the current price, that'll be a juicy gain of 186%. So that's what I'm looking at for Vechain. If you want completely free access to my trade signals and my analysis, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. This exchange requires no KYC and no VPN all around the world. It's one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America without a KYC or VPN. Once you sign up, which takes 30 seconds, that's all you need to do. When you sign up through my link at the top of the comments, just send me an email. I'll give you completely free access for life, which includes my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups. We're currently in trades for Ethereum, Turbo, and Polygon. And we have one of our members that's posting signals all day long. So all you need to do is sign up to Bitfinex. Takes 30 seconds. Once that's done, send me an email and I'll give you completely free access for life. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.